This week for Hack Week, I worked on tests in protocols. Not exciting, but important. So what I did this week was build out a type of test, a full stack integration test for our application. So this runs everything in our application, from the very high level client, including our router and Redux and Sagas, all the way down to our APIs, and tests all of the points and touch points in between. So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm having Enzyme mount and render our provider, which are Redux provider, and then the actual React router. And I'm asking React router to render a very specific URL. After that, all we do is interact with the application by clicking on buttons, links, populating fields, etc. Similar to what you would see in a web test. But unlike web tests, this thus far has never failed on me unexpectedly, unlike a lot of Selenium tests that tend to be pretty unreliable. It also, instead of taking what might take a minute to do all of the interactions that this test does, it's happening in less than 10 seconds. And the only reason it takes 10 seconds is we actually validate the autosave actually occurs, which is a little bit slower in our application right now. So this test alone actually increased our code coverage from about 80 to 85, 86%, which I feel is pretty good. Overall, it gives us a great assurance that everything in our app is working expected, even between different parts and integration points in our app. So, thanks.